my name is Masin Kirote. I'm a veterinary technologist who is passionate about AI. I'm from Kiambu. With me is
Karen Miano.
and Maslin too.
Okay, I'll speak from a software dev perspective. So this session and the ones before have been my first interaction with graph databases. I've mainly interacted with relational databases, and the difference and the use cases are quite realistic enough for the relationships between the data matter as much as the data itself. So I'm excited to implement, yeah.
Nice. So with me, I've been able to know better about Neon Project, and I appreciate the fact that the speaker, the one who was facilitating, delved deeper into that, and I was able to know how to apply it.
So much. So today's session has been really insightful. I have been able to learn about Neo4j. This being the second workshop, I have been able to work on it hands-on and understand my data better using the relationships built through Neo4j.
I have had a new perspective. It has expounded my ideas, the ones that I had earlier. It means I will be able to use the new knowledge that I've gained from today's workshop to come up with better solutions in what I am.
Okay, for me, it's more or less the same. As the workshop was going on, I could see the applications, various pinpoints, how I'm going to implement it, what needs to change, and
So a lot has changed in my view of the problem I was thinking about. And given the knowledge I've gained today through the Neo4j workshop, I believe definitely I'm going to restructure how I'm going to build my solution and the way I'm going to build my database, how I'm going to put the relationships together so that my solution can become more simple.
The ones who are building in this hackathon, I encourage them to come to such sessions because they are eye-opening. And whoever who has not joined the hackathon should look out for opportunities to join one because we happen to learn a lot. We are not even paying a dime. It is a good opportunities for the youth to better understand AI. And I appreciate the facilitators, the sponsors of this kind of things.
For those of us who are building in this hackathon, I'd encourage you to look out for Neo4j if you have not started looking into it. It's a really wonderful technology and it's going to make your solution better. And I'd also encourage you to be attending the in-person workshops. Create that environment where you can connect with your teammates face to face and discuss your challenge, discuss the brief and understand the solution you're going to build together.
for me, my message is most especially for those who don't have any familiarity with the tools in the hackathon. Just come in, have fun, learn a lot. It's actually quite interesting to make the contrast between what you know and what you don't know. And of course, your knowledge is bound to expand.